Hi guys, welcome back. Todd here again with TW Home Show, and boy, I got some cool 3D prints to show you today. These moving 3D prints. Now I've combined 3D PLA filament with my designing skills through TINKERCAD and through some other people that have put these cars up, these vehicles up on Thingiverse. I've just modified them to work for my needs here. And you'll see as we get closer into this and as you check out the files that I'll leave down below. Anything I talk about in this video, any products or anything needed to do these two prints, I'll leave the links below so that you can purchase them through my links. And I appreciate you purchasing anything from my links. That helps my channel out and helps me keep motivated and moving right along with the next video. So guys, these are the two 3D prints. They're movable. Plus in these, what's unique is I used magnets. See how that comes off? This is on there with a magnet onto the base, the turning base. Same with this Mustang. Magnetized. The magnets you put in through the slot here. I'll zoom up there. Right through the slot where the T is. And it goes down through the car, kind of like a piggy bank style. And then it falls down and this hole is open where the magnet is exposed, and then that's where you can attach it easily, hover it above this unit right here, this turning base that's anchored to the motor. So I've used magnets and I've used motors. Another way I've used these magnets, guys, is pretty unique. Let's just take the Corvette for instance here. Look at that, guys. I engraved TW Home Show on the top roof there. And these wheels, they actually turn. This one, you drop the magnet in right here through the windshield in that slot there. And then you've got the opening for the magnetation right there, if that's what you call it. And that's how you can fit it on there. It's magnetized, guys. And then, but I want to show you, the wheels are magnetized. So not only do they turn, but they've got magnets in there that drop into the wheels. And then magnets under here. You put one magnet in and then you fit the other magnet in and they'll snap together and then they won't come out because of how I created the design here. They won't fall out. The wheel just snaps right in place like that. All the wheels. So guys, I used motors for the bases. And I'll leave a little picture here of the motors. The lower motors I used, they're like 2 to 3 revolutions. No, the lower motors are 5 to 6 revolutions per minute. So it turns faster. And the top motors up here, underneath these covers, these, they're the same name brand, but they rotate 2 to 3 revolutions per minute. So this sign up top on both of these turn a little bit slower than the car. So this is my design here for the Mustang 1 with the Ford. Now guys, when you get these completed and finished, right, I'll give you a close up here a little bit later. We'll go a 360 all around them. But this says core and then a giant V for vet right here. So I'll give you a close up of that. The cords come out. Specific areas for the cords to come out, and the cords come with rocker switches, and those cords and the adapters, I'll leave the links to them, but they come with the motors. So if you buy the motors, you're going to get the complete kit, everything you need to put these together and to apply your electricity to it. It comes with a standard cord with a rocker switch. These are the magnets that I used right here, a few different sizes. And I did get an assortment pack when I first started this project out. That really helped me because I was able to determine which sizes worked best for these designs here. So I'll leave the link for the assortment pack as well as the common ones that I found that I liked the most, which were 10 millimeter and 15 millimeter circle diameter magnets. Hey guys, these motors, they get hot. I don't know if you've seen another one of my videos on these 3D creations with the motors, but within 10 minutes, These motors get up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, so I don't recommend you running them anywhere over 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. That's why I recommend for these 3D prints with motors, get a timer like this. I'll leave the link below, but this timer you can adjust it for like 10, 15 minutes to come on when it senses motion. So you can have it come on when somebody's walking in your room, walking in the office, wherever you situate these unique 3D prints. You'll have the sensor right out somewhere behind it or in front of it, off to the side where they don't see it. And then it's just gonna kick on and they're gonna notice it. Their eyes are gonna notice, well, what just started? You know, what happened here? Just like this. It's just gonna click on. So guys, I'll leave the print files in Thingiverse. I'll leave a link to it below this video here. You can easily get that, follow the link. Make some of your own, and if you do make some of your own, please, I'm gonna also leave the name of the guy who left these files for the vehicles, and he's got more vehicle files. So if you don't like Mustang, you don't like Corvette, say you like a Dodge or something, I believe he's got Dodge vehicles on there as well, or pickup trucks he's got. But I'll leave all the files, the recognition to that gentleman that left these automobile files to help us out. And if you want to modify any of my files, please do so. If you make one of these or something similar, please send me a link to it or something. I'd like to see it because I know, I mean, these were just first ideas. And I built on somebody else's idea from these vehicles and then made it something a little bit more elaborate. And I know you guys probably will too. So guys, thank you again for watching my video, and I hope to see you on the next one.
Fill me out with your smile, like the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame, I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 Bring that beat back. Take me out when I'm down, 'cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and